Hi everyone. In today's video, we're going to go over something cool about how you can utilize the send a copy to a builder feature within Gavel. So this is really useful when you are using Gavel to collaborate with other people on your team, for example, where maybe you start working on a build and then you send it over to someone on your team who then builds out a different part of it and then sends it back and so on. So you can do this by using this feature here called send copy to builders. So here I've just created a very basic workflow that's called test, send copy to builder. And I just have 3 questions, question 1, question 2, and question 3. So let's say that I've been working on this for a little bit, but I need someone else to take over for now, and I need them to just add a few more questions and so on. So I want to send this to them. So I'm going to send copy to builders. I'm going to choose from my drop down of the people in my team who are builders, and then I'm going to say send a copy. So I'm going to do that now. So I'm sending mine to Selena, and it's going to go over here. It's going to send this to her builder dashboard here, where she can either add this to her workflows or discard it if it was sent in error. So I'm going to say add to workflows. And once I do, it's going to be added here, and I can go in and I can edit it as Selena. So Selena can come in and she can add a new question. She can add a new page, for example. So let's say in this case, she adds a new page. Let's just call this something like page 2. We can add a question that will be question 4. And then for question 4, let's say that she put something like this, where in the rest of ours, we've been formatting it like this. So this is a mistake, we'll say. But let's say she does that. She saves it and she sends it back to us with this mistake. And we want to be able to correct it. What we can do is she's going to send it back to us. She's going to look for our name in here. She's going to say send a copy. When it comes back to us as the admin here in this particular example, we're going to see that here on the top, and we can add this to our workflows or we can discard it. We can say add to workflows, and it's going to give us a warning saying that this has the same name as another workflow that's already in our playground dashboard. So it's going to give us the opportunity to either overwrite that one or add this as a new file. So let's say before we overwrite this original, we want to just take a look and make sure everything is correct and make any changes if we want to. So we can say add as a new file and say add to workflows. This is going to make it to where now there is a copy that has been added here. And this is the original here. So we can see in the original that we only have one page with 3 questions. If we go into the copy, the one that was sent over to us by Selena, and we go into edit, we'll be able to see that she's had this page 2 and this question 4. But let's say we want to update this, so I'm going to take that off here. I can go ahead and do that and save here and make any other changes I want to here. Let's say I want to make this page 1 instead of test, and I want to save it. Now, in order to then overwrite the previous one, now that I've gone through and edited and made any changes that I wanted, to have this one merge into this one or overwrite it so that the link is the same as the original, if I've linked this anywhere, for example, all I need to do is actually just take off the copy here at the end and save it. And now when I close and go to my dashboard, I'm just going to see that this one has merged into one and copy has gone. And I just have left this one here, the original, that has the new edits. So now I can see page 1, that change here. I can see page 2, and I can see that question 4 has been updated for the variable name. So that is one way that we can utilize this really powerful feature for collaboration, send copy to builders, where we can have the choice to overwrite or add as a new copy, then go through, make any edits and do any review, and then just update by taking off that copy and having those links work perfectly. So that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.